Sack Fruito, that was... The DJ Big Mac at gmail.com, you know what I'm saying?
Got 92, bitch.
DJ Big Mac 92 at gmail.com, nigga.
What?
That's how long his name is, nigga. We wildin' out. We ain't no more chillin', nigga. You know what I'm saying? We doing the big, man. This your boy Echo.
What?
That's your boy right there.
Big B.
You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Big B stand for what?
Big bitch. I didn't have to answer that myself.
Hey, but you know what I'm saying? We going crazy out here, man.
Big baller, so.
We out here going crazy, you know what I'm saying?
I read that Stewie, original gang.
And I got some shout outs to give too, because I said I was going to give some shout outs.
We showing it, dog. We doing
shout out to
big.
Miss Jazzy, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Ree. Shout out to Ray, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to C-Note. Shout out to Ricky, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to my girl Rhea.
Hold on, bro. You shouting out all them people. Why you ain't shout out your girl yet, dog?
Shout out my girl, you know what I'm saying? She know who she is. Shout out to the whole Convict family, you know what I'm saying?
Convict music.
You know what I'm saying? Akon, I see you, boy. Trigger Play, I see you, boy. Grizzly Strokes, I see y'all. Y'all stand up, make some noise. Oh yeah, shout out to TYP Entertainment. Reason, you know I see you, dog. I got you. You know what I'm saying? And how we doing? We doing big on my 17th birthday.
You ain't we get ready to do our show, dog.
We don't play games.
Wait till our show come, dog.
Oh yeah, January 1st, New Year's Eve party going down. You already know what it is.
Convict music.
You already know Convict all day repping it from the hood.
What?
Yeah, Sam Killer, y'all already know what it is, nigga.
Yeah.
Throw that sign on, nigga. Throw that Convict up, nigga.
Convict music.
All right.